Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create an employee scheduling using Google Calendar in just 5 easy steps. Also, cover when it's time to upgrade to something more powerful. So, Google Calendar is free if you're using Google Workspace. It is easy to share with your team and it's way faster than paper schedules. But it lacks advanced scheduling features like availability, roles, and shift swaps. So let me show you the steps. Now, first you need like you need to zoom in. Okay, so first you need to create a separate calendar just for your work schedule and click the plus sign next to other calendars and choose create new calendar. And then name it something like employee schedule or something. And then once it's done, you can now share this calendar with your employees. Click the three dots next to the calendar name and share it. You can scroll to share it with specific people and then add your team. Now, if you want to avoid scheduling conflicts, you can add employee time off as events, label them clearly like mark PTO, or have employees block out their own calendars with out of office meetings. Then you can simply click and drag to create events for each shift. For example, use the employee's name in the title and add them as a guest so they'll see it in their own calendar. Once done, just click save. If an employee works the same shift weekly, you can make it recurring. Simply click the shift, then pencil icon here, and then select weekly or custom. Then just save. And that's how you can do basic scheduling. Now, Google Calendar works for basic scheduling, alright, so but it gets messy fast with larger teams. And this is where I'd recommend a tool like Buddy Punch that can really help. It lets you drag and drop shifts, set employee availability, and handle shift trades automatically. You can try it for 14 days using the link below, or just go to Buddy Punch and try out the tool by clicking this link. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.